Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Asset. In today's video, I'll show you how you can calculate count of null and zero from a single column table. Here on my screen, you will see we have a single column which contains 1, 0 null values, and we need this output, the count of null 4 and the count of 0 3. So how we can achieve it, how we will calculate it, we'll see later in this video. Without making any further delay, let's get started. So let me open the IntelliJ. Here I have created one package with the name of pack, and inside this package, I have created a Scala object class test. I have imported here on the top, I have imported all the libraries of Spark session and as well as the Spark context. I have created a main method inside which I will write my code. I have declared the bin utils path here and created a conf and Spark object of Spark context as well as Spark session class. Okay, so we'll be using this Spark object to read the data from this file. So here I'll be creating a data frame and we will read this data from the file, and this data frame will read the data from this file. We'll be using this formula spark.read dot format. Since it is a text file, so we'll use format CSV dot option. We need header column also, so we'll be using options here, header true. And now we will load the file from the path where the file is actually present. The file is present inside the column /java slash file name is test.txt. Now I will shoot to see the output file. This looks like some problem. Let me run program again. Okay, sorry. I pulled the output panel here. Yeah, see, the data is appeared. Okay, now since we have got the data in data frame, we will be using logic to get this desired output. So what logic we will apply, I'll show you in next line. So here I'll be creating a new data frame df1 and Spark SQL. I'll be using to write our SQL code inside this. Since we need this output 4 count 4 4 null count and 3 0 count. So to count them, I'll be using count, select count star from from test table. Sorry, one more thing I missed out here. I forgot to create temporary view here. This you cannot directly read the data from data frames. So we will convert it into a view first. So here I'll give a name to this view test. So I'll be using this test view here in this SQL statement. Now where data is equals to null, we'll be using this string null because it's a string type, not the actual null. Now I will shoot this data frame using df1.show command and see what output it will show us this time. It will show the count of null, but this will not solve our purpose. Our purpose is to get this output count of null and count of 0. See, we have got the count of null here. Now we need the count of 0 in next column and in the same row. So how we can solve this, how we can achieve this, it's very tricky for us. So here I think we must use union operator and we create Will count the zero value here. Select count data. So it's oh, count star from count star from test where data is equals to zero. Let me run it again. Now you will see the count of, oh sorry, there's some mistake. Oh, I forgot to use the breakpoints here at last. Let me run it again. It will bring the count of null as well as zero both, but in not in same row, maybe in different column. Sorry, in different row, but not in same column. Looks like some error. Oh, sorry, it's called star. Now run it again. Yeah, here you will see zero as well as null is counted, but in different row and in one column only. But we don't want this output. We want this output. 4 and 3 in the same row but different columns. So how I will achieve this? Since we have only counted the zero and null, so here I'll be using a new column 0 and give an alias it was 0 and also give an alias it since it is a count of your null values. So I'll give alias of null well. Similarly, in the second select statement, I'll give it as a 0 0 first as null 12 and count of 0 will give it as 0 alias. Now we'll run it again and see what output it will show you this time. It will show this time. Yeah, we have got both the count in different row and two different column. We have got one more column added here, 0 and null value. We have got the column, but since it is getting displayed in two different rows, but we need the count of both of them in single row. So how we can achieve that? This is one of the biggest challenge for us. Now here I'll sum up the values of both the columns in the output query. Select sum null val and sum 0 from, and this has become our internal query. I will shoot it again. We'll run it again. See if for this time it will solve our purpose or not. Yeah, it has solved our purpose. We have got the desired output which we wanted. Okay, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching.